Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Chi-Chi.
Hi, Chi-Chi.
And Uncle Josh.
Hi, Uncle Josh.
And Wally.
Hi, Wally.
And Uncle Richie.
Hi, Richie.
And Chi-Chi's babies.
Hey, baby.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Wally.
Hi, Wally.
Hi, Wally.
Hi, Uncle Richie.
Hi, Uncle Richie.
Hi, Uncle Josh.
Hi, Uncle Josh.
Hi, Chi-Chi.
Hi, Chi-Chi.
I love you.
Hi, love you, house.
Say I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
Show your teddy bear.
No, that's a lion.
The lion? Show her. Nice. You gonna show yours? Show Grandma your teddy bear. Come on, let's go show Grandma your room. Do stickers? Come on. Want to go where? Soon, you're gonna see Grandma soon. Come on, let's go show Grandma your room. Come on, let go. We're running out of time, baby. Come on. Come on, Izzy, show Grandma your room. This is my room, Grandma. What's in your mouth? Nothing? Cereal. Say, Grandma, this is my room. And all your pretties, your school pictures, and your Dora mat, and your Princess TV. Come on, let's go dance for Grandma. Come on. Oh, right there. Dance. For Grandma. Say goodnight to her. And dance. Good job. Say goodnight, Grandma.